Hello, welcome to my YouTube. This video is a tutorial of Headwrap, gele Headwrap, quick and easy style. Less than 3 minutes, you are good to go. So first you share it 50-50, then put it on your head. Make it firm. For me, I don't like it to be firm because it always gives me headache. So let's just be firm, depends as you want it. Then you take the left side, rather the right side, you twist it and push it forward. You style it a little bit, then you take the left side, you fold it and tie it together. Fold it as well and tie it together. So let me leave you to watch the video. If this video is helpful, please follow, like, subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye bye.